In a swift operation, the Churaibari watchpost police have once again seized a large consignment of 700 bottle illegal cough syrup from a truck bearing the number TR01X1858. Driver has been arrested in connection with the bus. The seized consignment has an estimated black market value of around 7 lakh rupees according to police. The incident occurred on Thursday night when a six-wheeler lorry TR01X1858 travelling from Guwahati to Agartala was stopped at Churaibari police checkpoint. The vehicle was carrying various retail goods. The police team conducted a search and discovered 700 bottles of a contraband cough syrup named Iscaf hidden inside 30 medicine drums concealed behind other goods. The seized consignment has an estimated black market value of around 7 lakh rupees according to police. The lorry driver, identified as Utpal Roy from Tilyamura in Tripura's Khoi district, was immediately arrested. Roy reportedly confessed that the goods along with the illegal syrup was destined for Agartala.
Agartala. The transport driver. আমার নাম উৎপল রায়।
গাড়ি মালিকের নাম কি?
গাড়ির মালিকের নাম হলো কাতল দাস।
কোন জায়গায় বাড়ি?
আগরতলা।
আপনার বাড়ি কোন জায়গায়?
তিল্লাপুরা।
গাড়িতে কি মাল নিয়ে আইছেন?
দেবেন ট্রান্সপোর্ট।
কি মাল নিয়ে আইছেন?
দেবেন ট্রান্সপোর্ট কি? ট্রান্সপোর্টের মাল।
কি মাল? মাল কি আছে?
কসমেটিক্স আছে আর অনেক জিনিস আছে।
The repeated success of the Assam police in intercepting narcotics has raised questions about the effectiveness of the Tripura police in controlling the flow of such illegal substances. The police have stated that a case will be filed against the arrested driver under the relevant sections of the NDPS Act, and further investigation is underway. Bureau Report, Chini, Khorang.